Hello everyone, welcome to my Science Tech channel. In this video we are going to learn about the subject chemistry. In that we are going to learn about name of element and what is the electronic configuration and their valence electron. So one by one let us start how the electronic configuration and symbols of element that has been written that we are going to see. So first of all, here I written symbol of element, name of element, electronic configuration and valence electron. So first symbol of element we can say hydrogen, and the symbol it is having one, we can say symbol hydrogen, that is H, and name it is written, that is a full form, it is a hydrogen. Its electronic configuration is 1s2 and valence electron is +1 we can say. Second one, helium, so the symbol it is having He, helium, it is full form of that one, and electronic configuration we can say 1s2. Valence electron it is having 0. Third one, it is the lithium, Li, that is the symbol. Lithium it has been written as like this, and the electronic configuration it is 1s2 2s1, and it is having the valence electron we can say +1. Fourth one, it is a beryllium, so it is having atomic number 4, beryllium, that is a Be, it is having the symbol, and electronic configuration 1s2 2s2, and the valence electron it is having 2+. Then boron, fifth number is boron, we can say it is having the atomic number 5, that is the symbol is B, and boron. So electronic configuration we can say 1s2 2s2 2p1, it is having the electronic configuration, and its valence electron we can say 3+. Sixth one, we can say the carbon, it is having the symbol C, capital C, that is, and the carbon full form we can say, and electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p2, and valence electron we can say it is having 4+. Then seventh number we can say nitrogen, it is the symbol having we can say capital N, and atomic number it is having 7, so nitrogen. Now its electronic configuration we can say 1s2 2s2 2p3, and its valence electron is 3-. Then the eighth one we can say oxygen, that is having the symbol capital O, oxygen, and its electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p4, and valence electron 2- it is having. Then after it we can say fluorine, it is having the atomic number 9, fluorine it is having the symbol capital F, and electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p5, and valence electron is 1-. 10th number we can say neon, neon is having the symbol Ne, and neon it has been written, then electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6, that is the it is having valence electron 0. Then 11th one we can say sodium, sodium it is having atomic number 11, sodium it has been written, electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1, that is valence electron 1+. Then magnesium it is having the atomic number 12, that is Mg is the symbol of that one, and it is magnesium written, and electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2, valence electron 2+. Then aluminium we can say, aluminium is having the atomic number 13, symbol is Al, aluminium it has been written, electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p1, and valence electron we can say it is having 3+. Then 14th number it is coming, that is the silicon, that is having the atomic number 14, and it has been written silicon, and electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p2, and it is having valence electron we can say 4+. Next comes 15, that is the phosphorus. So phosphorus it is having the symbol we can say capital P, phosphorus it is written, electronic configuration we can say 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p3, and valence electron is 3-. 16th one we can say sulfur, sulfur it is having atomic number we can say 16, and it has been written the sulfur, and electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p4, and valence electron is 2-. 17th one we can say chlorine, chlorine is having atomic number 17, that is the symbol Cl, chlorine it has been written, and it is having electronic configuration 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p5, and valence electron is 1-. 18th we can say after 17, that is the 18 atomic number is having argon, a symbol it is having Ar, argon it has been written, Electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, and valence electron it is having 0. 19th one next come, that is the potassium. Potassium having the symbol K, and it has been written potassium, and electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s1, valence electron is 1 plus. And the last one we can say 20th, that is the calcium. It is having atomic number 20. Calcium, it has been written 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, and the valence electron we can say that is 2 plus. So already we have seen from 1 to 20 elements, the symbol of element, name of element, electronic configuration, and valence electron. So I hope so everyone understood. If you like the channel, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all of you.